This is what happens when you get a typhoon in the Philippines. It just rains and rains and rains. I mean, it just don't stop. Like, it's so bad that it'll flood anywhere you are. But you know what? It's still beautiful here, regardless during the day, even if it's raining. I highly recommend, if you are retired or have any kind of income, move to the Philippines. It's fun. It's nice here.